Imagine this. You go to book a gas cylinder for your home and the delivery boy says, "Sir, supply delay, no LPG available right now." Restaurants are shutting down, food prices are increasing, and people are standing in long queues for gas cylinders. Is this really happening in India? And if yes, why is LPG shortage happening? Is it because of Iran? Is it leading towards World War III? Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Logistics Value. Today we are going to understand a very serious and real situation, the LPG shortage in India and how global conflict involving Iran is affecting our daily life through logistics. Let's understand this step by step in a very simple way. First thing, India is one of the largest LPG consumers in the world. But here is the reality. India imports around 60% of its LPG requirement from other countries. And most of this LPG comes from the Middle East. Now, here comes the problem. Due to ongoing conflict in the Middle East involving Iran, global energy supply has been disturbed. Oil and gas infrastructure has been attacked, and shipping routes are under tension. One of the most important routes is the Strait of Hormuz. This small sea route handles a huge portion of global oil and gas transport. Now imagine, if ships cannot pass easily through this route, LPG tankers get delayed, supply reduces, and prices start increasing. This is exactly what is happening. India is currently facing one of the biggest LPG supply disruptions in recent times, mainly due to global logistics issues. Even reports show LPG prices are increasing, supply is being prioritized for households, industries are facing cuts. In some places, black marketing of LPG cylinders has also started due to shortage. Now let's understand the logistics angle. LPG is not produced everywhere. It needs import from other countries, transportation via ships, storage in terminals, distribution to dealers, final delivery to your home. If any one step fails, the entire system gets disturbed. This is called a supply chain disruption. Now, coming to the big question, is Iran directly attacking India? The answer is no. There is no direct attack on India. But global conflict involving Iran is indirectly affecting India through energy supply and logistics routes. And that is the real danger. Now another big question. Is this World War III? Right now, no, it is not World War III. But yes, the situation is serious. Experts are worried because multiple countries are involved, energy routes are affected, global supply chains are under pressure. If the situation escalates further, it can create global economic and logistics crisis. And that's why people are talking about World War level risk, not actual war, but global impact. Now let's understand the biggest lesson. Fuel like LPG is not just for cooking. It is connected to transportation, food industry, manufacturing, daily life. If LPG supply reduces, hotel food prices increase, delivery cost increases, household problems increase. This is the power of logistics. One global disruption, impact on every home. Now quickly summarize. LPG shortage in India is mainly happening because India depends heavily on imports, Middle East conflict is disturbing supply, shipping routes like Hormuz are under pressure, logistics chain is getting disrupted. There is no direct attack on India, but indirect impact is very real. And this shows one important thing. Logistics is the backbone of daily life. If logistics stops, everything stops. If you found this video informative, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Logistics Value for real-world logistics knowledge. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.